Hello student, myself Neerav Misra, your computer teacher. Today I am going to explain the most important topic of the chapter 2, unit 3 and for class 10. As you know, the title of the chapter was Caring for Computer, and the topic about which I am going to explain today is preparing a maintenance schedule. Students, as you know, computer is a machine and the regular maintenance is very essential for its smooth working. As we know, it is very necessary to do the physical maintenance of the computer. And as the physical maintenance is important, then the system maintenance is also very essential. To maintain our computer internally is also very essential. The physical maintenance means to remove the dust and dirt from the computer devices by wiping the devices using the clean cloths. But if we think our work completed after physically clean the computer, then it is not true. It is not correct. It is needed also to clean up and remove the undue files from the computer's jargon. So we'll have to make a proper schedule to maintain our computer daily, monthly, yearly, and when needed. So here, what have you to do? What should be our daily work to maintain our computer? First, have to take the regular backup of the important files, because it may be the chance then your important files maybe get damaged or lost. So we'll better have to take the backup of the file. Is to get the same file. May also be possible is to retrieve the same files from the backup files. So I have to take the regular backup. Next one, run antivirus program regularly. Check for updates regularly, because the updates will help you to make your computer bug free. Next one, if you continue using the computer, we'll better have to restart the computer once to neutralize the temporary files, because the temporary files takes a large space in your computer and will make the computer slow. Next one, delete temporary files by typing %tmp% in the run box. And next one is properly have to shut down the system after use. So these all are the daily, these all are our daily works to maintain our computer. What should be our monthly works to maintain our computer? The first, use the defragmentation programs to repair the fragmented files onto the disk. Next, scan the whole hard disk so that any kinds of errors occupy in any place of the computer can be removed. Next, clean up the disk drives normally once in a week. The files onto which we have already worked and now there are no use of that one files, will better have to remove that one files from the computer. So normally have to remove that one files from the computer. Next one, check for software updates. If you get updates of the software, we better have to download that one updates and install that one updates in your computer. Next one, empty the recycle bin. If you have deleted the files, that deleted files are sent to the recycle bin. So we'll better have to move the files from the recycle bin to make your disk to give the large space to the disk. Next one, physically cleaning the computer using blower or the general practices are used to externally cleaning the computer, will better have to adopt these all ideas. And what should we do? What should be our work yearly to make our computer, to maintain our computer? First, backup hard drives as an image, physically cleaning internal and external parts of the computer, renew the antivirus subscriptions if the antivirus, the time of antivirus is expired, will better have to purchase the new subscription. So these all are the daily, monthly and yearly maintenance schedule. And this is the as needed. Means when we require, it should be better have to do. First, uninstall unusable programs. If you are not working on a particular program, if there are no use of that one program, will better have to uninstall that one program from the computer. Second one, don't waste time in browsing the unfamiliar sites. The sites about which we are quite unknown. So we don't have to render more and more time onto that one sites. Maybe the chance that your computer get virus attacks. Next one, change the password frequently. Change your password frequently, so that your password should not be leaked. And the last one is make sure all the devices of computer which are connected with the computer are properly plugged in or not. If they all are properly plugged in, then no problem. And if you are having any improper connection, will better have to check the plugging system of the computer. So after this, our maintenance schedule have been completed. So in the next video, I will go through the other one topic of the chapter. So have a nice day and thank you.